I need to put these trim pins on that I've talked about in the last couple of videos. I mean, I got it all figured out. I guess it's just not something I want to do, but I'm going to do it. I got this is left over from a door that I cut up when I was working on my doors. So I'm just going to use this as my test. My test metal. Don't buy this Roby drill, whatever you do. The chuck comes loose. So I'm going to put the rivet in the gun. The window clip back that I showed in the last one. Turn this thing off. Save the battery. Okay, here's this type. That one works. I'm going to try this little one. It's probably not enough torque. I don't like that. It just spins. Did I read that right? Use a 3/32. So I need something smaller than 3/32. I tried to sharpen it. We'll see what happens. See what I mean? I never had this trouble with any drill except for this one. It doesn't self-center for some reason. Let's see if I did any good here. Well, I did it right, so we will try this and that hole. I'll use a more torquey screwdriver, a big one. That's a better fit. Much better fit. Now that'll work. So what did I say I used? I think I said 5/64. Yeah, 5/64. Bend it so you can see it. Yeah, it works better. Maybe I didn't have it tight enough. So make sure you get this thing tight. I mean, if you got it loose at all, let me even go a little bit tighter. Still, it's kind of loose. Now this one locks because that plastic right there drops in. I guess I gotta lift it like this. I don't know why it's sticking in there. Yeah. Just gotta pry that up. The middle one. That fits better. Make sure you tighten the heck out of it. Well, once it gets on there, look at it. Get this one out, you gotta lift this tab up. It's a real pain. This Phillips head is catching. I'm catching on this clip. Son of a bitch. For the point, help if I had a real screwdriver. Okay, got a real screwdriver. Man. Now maybe I push down on that. What the hell? That bugs me. This should be so easy. I'm sure if I go like this, it'll pop right off. It wasn't hitting that. What the hell, man? Okay, well that's the screw type. It's a bitch to get it off. Try this one. This one's worn out. That's why I'm buying new ones. This one's broken. Okay, it's on. That one comes right out. It's catching, this lip is catching right on his head. Maybe if I pry against the screw. What the hell? See, I'm pushing the wrong way. That's one of the problems. Boy, that sucks. This thing's kicking my ass. Try something else. Not all the way on. Try pushing on with that. These son of a bitches. Shouldn't be so difficult. My mother's old nutcracker tool. There's gotta be an easy way to do this. Okay, I'm gonna try pushing down on that end. And I'll pull it against the screw. Just slop. I guess if you had that trouble, you could squeeze this thing. So I can get it off again. Man, this thing's a bitch. Anyway, I suggest you get new clips. You can see that they're kind of worn out. But it looks like I could squeeze this. If I had smaller pliers. Yeah, I broke it. Tighter. It's broken, but it's tighter. Okay, another crazy video. Tomorrow I'll come down. I don't know if I'll shoot it or not, but I'm going to use the rivets. I mean, everything about it seems to be better. It's tighter. The head is a hair smaller than that one. And this thing's loose again. It keeps coming loose. I can just imagine driving down the road and it rattles loose. So I guess if you're going to use these, put some glue on the back. So the reason I bought these seatbelts, I guess I can be kind of anal sometimes. But I wanted the right seatbelt. This is the way it should look with this hook on here. But the problem is, I take my glasses off. I'm just looking at it close for the first time. It's black. I asked for black. But you can see the side that was in the sun turned into a different color. And I'm just looking at this for the first time. There's an R on here, so that would be the right side. So anyway, now I got 4 of these. I mean, I could sell parts, you know. So if you pull them out, I haven't pulled them out yet. This one says 75. Again, it's 2551, 75. 2551, 75. 2551, 76. 2551, 75. Anyway, I don't care. I mean, it'd be nice if they were 76. But I'm just showing you. Anyway, I got 4 of these now. I only need 2. Then you look over here. The spring is out. That's the way it came. So I'm going to have to try to fix that. I mean, at least it's here. I don't know if I can fix it or not. So looking at the other one, it says do not remove cap. Well, here's a cap, different color. But this doesn't look that hard to take apart. I mean, it's not welded, it's not bolted. So maybe I can fix it. I mean, I don't have a choice. I mean, I'm going to have to fix it or find another one. And then I was missing some bolts. It's one of the reasons I've been holding up putting this together. I wanted these. Now I got a whole bunch of bolts, so now I got enough to bolt everything together. Those 4 bolts are for the upper end of the T-top. 2 on each. And then I got a whole bunch of the other belts, you know, the passenger and the driver. So this thing, I mean, this one was a sprung spring. You know, that reminds me of the days when I used to fix lawnmower springs. You gotta wind it up, try to stuff it in there, and hold it there, and it works. So, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, on my channel, I don't hide nothing. That's the way it came. And you can see this one is supposed to be black. So anyway, that's what I got. All that so I can get that shape. I know I went over this a few times, but this is what I think. The way the one that goes in my car, the Trans Am. It could be anybody's car. I'm just calling it my car. There's a detail here: A, B, and C. course, it's not showing the rear seat for some reason, but so let's say F style. That's the kind I got. The bolt is type 3. That bolt. Now we go to B. This is the one that's not clear to me. On B, there's 4 different types. This one says center passenger, so it's definitely not that one. Center passenger. Small buckle driver. I don't think it was the small buckle. I think it's got that one with the plastic on the end, so I think it's one of these two. I guess you could take your pick. So, if you use this one, it's type 4 bolt. Even though the bolt looks different, it looks like it's got a. That bolt looks like that bolt. But if you got this kind, type 3 bolt, type 4 bolt, and type 3 bolt. One's a little bit longer. So we went over A, we went over B, now C. That's the up on the roof. I'm seeing if it even says C. Where does it even say C on here? I don't even see it. All styles, less limousine with partition sedan delivery, pickup delivery, and convertible. These books suck, man. Station wagon, I don't know. Here's the seatbelt warning light. These are just color code for different types of seats. I don't know, man. I thought I had it figured out. Just reading this. Okay, here's rear seat. It's got to be that one, type 3. But why doesn't it call out rear seat? Or is this the rear seat? Yeah, this is the rear seat. Station wagon, station wagon. So it's got to be this one. It's the only one that has 2 seats. Type A and B. Type A, that's right. A, type 1, 1. Rear seat. B. Type B, not that one. Well, it's got to be this one. Or that one. They just do a lousy job in these books, man. But this one or this one. That's it. That's the information they give you. Well, we know that's right because it's got the hole on the side. Type 3, type 3. Lat belt. Oh, I know it definitely is not that one. It doesn't bolt to the floor. So it's definitely not that one. This has got an outer and a center bolt, so it's definitely not that one. It's one of these two.